Design Prep Container Neoflam Point Seal. Slim bodies reinforce its seamless design. Twist open and close mechanism. Perfect modular system enables efficient storage. Thanks to its thinner lids, more efficient to use in inner space. Due to its innovative design of body and lid, enables easy nesting and stacking. Internal structure of the lid is designed to tightly adhere to the rubber packing on both sides when twist style. The lid is all compatible regardless of bodies. Silicone inside the lid can be detached easily for clean use. Features no rusting inside, since it has no components made of metallic parts, such as steel spring. Airtight leak-proof point seal. Experience point seal with a diverse range of colors and size. Special offer. Your brand can be put on the lid bridge easily. Innovative, healthy, and colorful. Design Prep Container Point Seal.